Hey everybody, welcome on in. Wanted to talk to you about our today's must-have. Have you checked it out? Because it's pretty fantastic. And by the way, it's on free shipping and handling, which is amazing. It's under $25 and it is our tablet and recipe card holder. I am so in love with this. We did it in 3 awesome patterns. White woodland, so we know this is one of your absolute faves and something you love to have in your kitchen, in your home. There's a little bit of the profile. There's just showing you the back, the base, all of that good stuff. Layla's here, Kimberly's here, Margie's here. Hello, hello. Carol just jumped on. We have it in Pawfetti. So we heard you loud and clear, more Pawfetti, more Pawfetti. I've actually been using this in my office, and I have some of my like stickies. I put my pen right here. So I've used this to organize my desk a little bit. Jody's saying hi. Rebecca's here from California. So good to see all of you guys. Hello, hello. Christina's jumping on and Pam's here. Oh, Margie, thanks. You know what I did? I did a little eyeliner under my water, whatever that's called, and I don't usually do that. So thank you. I appreciate that. And then here we have a red doodle do. So red doodle do, white woodland, and Pawfetti. Like, are you kidding, Valerie? Pawfetti! I know you guys have been asking for this. I really need to get this piece. Valerie, get it, because free shipping and handling, free shipping and handling, free. Did I mention free shipping and handling? $24.95. It perfectly holds your tablet, which I love. This is actually the smaller size, but Ed has the bigger one. It works perfectly. Recipe cards, I love that. Jen saying, what's new? What's new? What's new with you? How you doing? By the way, I said that to my mom the other day, and she's like, what are you doing? Moms. Anyway, how you doing, Ma? How you doing? She's like, okay. Yeah, so Margie's saying, wow, doodle do. Wow, white woodland. And can we just like have a moment with our white woodland? So completely sculptural, carved into the stoneware, and then that glass glaze around. I love that it doesn't have a big profile, so you can literally tuck this. Jen, I need this so bad. Well, here's the scoop, you guys. You have been asking for a tablet holder. We had one way back in the day, and I think it kind of like ran its course. And now with these great new patterns that you've been loving and collecting, it was time to bring back a tablet holder, a recipe card holder, and so many other things. I use it on my desk. You could put a photo here if you wanted to. Just plain wow. Nice, I love everybody. It's over at temp-tations.com, which is very exciting, so you can check it out over there. We only have these 3 patterns. We only brought in what we brought in for the year, and we know, you know, free shipping and handling is always a wonderful thing to have. So I will just keep screaming that. I will probably try it with my cookbook. Love that. Doodle in red. Love that. Yes. Doodle do. We have white woodland. Here's our recipe book right here. So there's Taste of Home. So you can see how perfectly that sits and fits right there. So whether you're doing a recipe card, whether you're doing a cookbook, whether you're doing your, hold please, whether you're doing your tablet, this is, I'm going to just say it. Perfect. Perfect. Oh no, which one do I choose? I know they're all pretty spectacular, right? And you guys have been asking more Pawfetti to temp-tations.com and more Doodle Do and more White Woodland. So check, check, and checkity check. And did I mention free shipping and handling? All right, you guys. Well, this is why I'm super excited. Margie said she's headed over to Temp-tations. I love it. Vicky's saying hi. Everybody's jumping up. Pam's excited. Yeah, me too. I'm excited too. And these are great. And I have to say, it's all of our great stoneware, so you can just go ahead and wipe it clean. You could put it in the dishwasher, but I probably wouldn't, but you could. That little pinhole on the bottom is completely normal. When you make a full piece like this, especially this piece in here, that gives it stability in the kiln. So when you're firing it. So don't think that that's a problem. That is designed to circulate air through the piece, so it doesn't, you know, explode while it's in the kiln. And then there is our red doodle. Okay, so first of all, amazing gift with the rooster, because the rooster is such good luck. Pawfetti or doodle do. I'm running to temp-tations.com. I don't know. I have to be honest. I love them both. Here they are. You can look at them both side by side. So like this one's super fun. This one I feel like is like elegant, and roosters mean good luck in the kitchen. This one's super fun. I'm kidding. Perfect last minute gift. I love that. Linda, San Diego. By the way, friends of ours posted pictures of the Coronado and how beautifully decorated that is for Christmas. Wow. Like that is like breathtaking. The Coronado in San Diego is one of our most favorite hotels, and that's where Lucky Linda Weaver lives. All right, doodle do, Pawfetti, white woodland. Like you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. And I love the idea of, again, if you're thinking, oh heck, all three now, Margie. Doodle do, of course, roosters, good luck. So if this is a gift, I love that idea. For the Pawfetti lover, whether it's you or a friend, unique and fun gift. And then of course the classic woodland is so fun and so fantastic. So I'm super excited about this. Please head over to temp-tations.com because since we made it available at 10 a.m., you have been shopping, shopping, and shopping. So you definitely want to go over and check that out. All right, you guys, that is the scoopy. That's what we got going on over at temp-tations.com. And happy Wednesday, everybody. Enjoy your day. We're going to get some freezing rain tomorrow. So, I mean, rumor has it, winter's here, allegedly. It feels like it this morning. It's very cold. And my dogs had me out at 2 a.m., 3:30, and 4:15. So, yeah. I'm loving them today, as they're all sleeping, by the way. I'm in full work mode. I've been on calls and meetings since 8 a.m., and they're all, you know, laying about sleeping. They had a rough night. They need to sleep it off. Pawfetti. P.S. And by the way, Pawfetti. That's all I'm going to say. Where is my Pawfetti? Put their picture on there. All right, you guys. Oh, Matthew, good to see you. I'm glad I got you before I jumped off. Just getting on. What is that? Well, I'm so glad you asked. It is a tablet holder. It is a cookbook holder. It is a recipe card holder. Put them to work. Exactly, Joy Gathers. It is a cookbook holder. Nah, I didn't put the nativity scene up. I didn't. I know, Matthew. I'm disappointed too. I don't know about these highlights. Anyway, yeah, I just couldn't motivate to do it. I don't know. But I got the tree up. I mean, look at that thing. Woohoo! Yes! And I decorated the dining room with all of the beaded whimsy runners and everything. Do you guys want to see? Ed has his like coat strewn about. Oh, yeah, this guy. Hold on. Come here. You love my hair? Thank you. Follow me. By the way, I have no idea what's in this dining room. Okay. This is why you check these things out in advance. I'm going to shoot this side of the table since Ed has his various coats, hats. Actually, I should just sell out on them. Glasses, hat, coats. Yeah, just going to throw those on the floor. You guys, look. I can't. I am so in love with the way this looks. I actually can't stand it. Love the beaded whimsy, love the runner, loved putting it all together. There in the back, I just have like a cute little kind of like wintry, villagey scene, which is really kind of fun. Love your tree and top hat. Oh, thank you. I actually borrowed that top hat idea from MC, Mark Charles Massili. I think you guys know, but look how fun. And then I'm very excited because I went online and I bought all of these little tea lights and they're on a remote. I mean, thrilled, okay? So this just made my whole day too. So now I can just like bink, 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 turn all of them off. Done. Simple pleasures. I'm telling you guys. Simple pleasures. What else did I do? I got my, I love these, by the way. Love my, I bought these a couple of years ago at QVC and they light up, which is really fun. So they, by the way, this plant is truly taking over the entire house. So send help if you don't see me for a couple of days because what was that Suddenly Seymour? What was that movie? Oh gosh, I loved it. Little Shop of Horrors. Pretty sure it's talking to me. And then there's a sweet little cardinal. And believe it or not, David Venable gave me that cardinal. And he sits in Suddenly Seymour. So let's see, what else do I have? The tree. There is the tree. The tree that did not go dark on me like the other one did. And some funny, like, by the way, there's some funny ornaments. We were given this 2020, remember with the whole pandemic? That one made me smile when I took it out. This one was one of the very last ornaments my dad gave me. So I love, and my mom has a similar one, which is so fun. This is really cute. This was before we had Tuxie. So we had Ed, Tara, Fozzie, Jackson, Carter. Do you have like ornaments that you just get like super excited about to take out year after year? Of course, love the martini glass. Always have red cardinals everywhere. There's many, many red cardinals in here. What else do I have that's kind of fun? Little turtles, Rehoboth Beach, kind of. Oh, this was for Ed. This made me laugh out loud. So, Joy, you would like that too. Bagel and Lox. Guess who picked that? That was my dad when I was in high school, and he was Santa Claus for one of the holiday parties, and I giggle every year I take that out. What else do we have? Just some fun, sweet ornaments that always make me smile. So, there is the tree. Oh, and a s'more. Because if you know me, I love s'mores so, so much. And then I don't know if you guys saw, but my mom's bestie, Pat, gave us a nativity scene with dogs. So I can't even stand how cute this is. And the little box acts as like the creche. And then look at this. Like, I can't. It's so cute. So yes, I have a nativity scene. Wait, hold on. Do you have a menorah? Oh, Joy, I have two menorahs. So first and foremost, we have a menorah that is from the Dead Sea. So when we were in Israel, we bought this. And it's actually sand from the Dead Sea that is compressed to make this beautiful menorah. And then I don't know what's happening with the candles. I don't know if the fireplace, when I have it on, is like making the candles a little hot. But I don't know. I kind of like it and I kind of think it's cute. And then, oh, by the way, these guys sit next to the fireplace. Pet beds, pet beds. If you only knew how many pet beds we had. Like, we have a problem with pet beds. Okay. So there are those guys. There's another pet bed. I mean, if you followed me everywhere, you'd see all these pet beds. Okay, I can't show you all the boxes in the foyer. You will think less of me. And then we have this menorah. So yes, 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 and yes. And we celebrate. I love that Joy just asked that because we do celebrate both. We celebrate Hanukkah and we celebrate Christmas. So yeah, looking forward to that this year as well. All right, well, this went off on a tangent. I did not plan on doing this. I was just showing you the latest and greatest Tara's Must Have, and it turned into a tour of my kind of random Christmas decorations. They're not random per se, but I don't know. I should have put out the Lennox nativity scene that, I don't know, I think I have upwards of, I don't know, 40 or 50 pieces. My parents started me on it way back when, and I've been collecting every year. Which reminds me, I have not looked to see if there's a new one this year. Yeah, really whimsical and awesome. The DC handles, what's that mean? Are really whimsical and awesome. The DC handles. I don't know what that means. I'm so sorry, Pamela. We would never think less of it. Oh, you might. Oh, you might. If you saw my office, that would be a whole other story. Yeah, you know what? In the whole like realm of like, let's be true and genuine. I'm sure there'll be a dog. Okay, hold on. Dog. Jackson, can you say hi to everybody? Ozzy, Carter, and my office, which is a disaster. Okay, yeah, yep, disaster. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. This one's fun. There's Fozzie up there, and then here I have some pictures and some fun little things. So, yeah, true confession. There you go. There you have it. That's where magic's made. I'm totally kidding. That's where a lot of meetings happen. Okay, you guys. I'm just being silly now. You know what else, by the way? I've seen worse. Thank you, Shane. Thank you, Shane. I was actually putting on my makeup this morning, and I was like, you know what? I should jump on one morning and do my makeup. I was watching Mally Roncal last night do her makeup. It's probably like me cooking a recipe for her to put her makeup on. And I was like, gosh, she talks and she's putting her makeup on. She's doing her whole thing. I'm like, it's fascinating. Like, aren't you fascinated in like how people get ready sometimes? Like, these were some of the things I was thinking about this morning. Yes, not touring my house, not showing my office. I've seen worse. Shane, you made me laugh out loud. I hope you're feeling better, my love. Everybody send Shane lots of positive vibes. He's been dealing with a lot of migraines lately. And so we're wishing him all good vibes. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, Shane. We're sending it over to you. Mary Miller, too funny. Yeah, looks like a busy room. Thank you. Exactly. Looks like a busy room. Yeah. Got it. Oh, my earrings are cute. Thanks. Thanks, guys. Gosh, I love this. All right. Anyway, anywho, I digress. Head over to temp-tations.com and check out our awesome tablet and recipe card holder because it's awesome. And we have it in Pawfetti. We have it in Doodle Doo. And you saw all the dogs sleeping, by the way. Even Carter, who had surgery. And Tux is in my closet, which I'm not taking you on that hiatus because that would be like, you may never see me again. The plant, between the plant eating me and my closet, no, that's enough. All right, you guys, I adore you. Aw, see, Shane, all good vibes for you, my friend. Feel better soon. Matthew's birthday? Matthew Angelo's birthday? Hold on. I'm going to start to like warm up the vocal cords. Matthew, is it your birthday? Do-do-do-do-do-do. You say it's your birthday. No, I'm waiting. Someone tell me. Somebody tell me. Sherry's here. Hi, Sherry. Good to see you. Matthew, it's tomorrow. Okay. Happy early birthday. So the 15th. Wow, 10 days before Christmas. Woo! All right. Well, happy early birthday, my friend. All good things for you for that day and for the year ahead. It's going to be your best year yet. I just know it. All right. Happy birthday. All right, you guys, so good to see all of you, and I will see you soon. Head over to temp-tations.com and grab your pattern because they are going quickly. Bye, guys.